Bubba? What does a doggy say? Get your thumb out of your mouth. What's a doggy say? Okay, what about a cow? Get your thumb out of your mouth. We gotta hear you. What's a cow say? Good job.
Get your thumb out of your mouth, Bubba. Get your mouth.
Okay, now what does a kitty cat say?
Meow.
Meow. Good job. Okay, what have we not done? Oh, what does a monkey do? What does a monkey do?
What's a monkey do, Bubba?
Good job. Can you say hi to Grandma? Say hi. Hi.
Say hi, Grandma.
Bubba.
Get your thumb out of there.
I know it's nap time. Okay. What else? Where's your little book? The little Sonic book that he had earlier. Okay, well, we'll do that later. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Can you wave and say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Say it to the camera. Say bye, Grandma.
Bye.
We'll see you soon.
Say bye-bye.
Love you. Give kisses. Okay, see you guys later.